Behind the scenes, when the database is running, a lot is going on. And I'm really talking about when the database instance is running while people and applications and such are using it. Here, I want to mention to you or talk to you about the database operations, specifically the files that are used by the database at the time that it is running. So there's a parameter file. Parameter file is used to configure the instance, the database instance at the time that it's running. Specifically, memory, along with other resources that are being utilized by the user and application and by the system in general are configured by the parameter file. In addition to the parameter file, there's also the password file. This file allows users with certain roles to connect remotely so that they can perform admin tasks. Password file. In addition to the password file, there's also a backup file. Now, this is used to recover the database in the event that, well, it happens to crash. Rather important, don't you think? So the parameter, the password, and the backup. There's also the archived redo log files. These are the ones that contain ongoing history of changes made to the database. Parameter, password, backup, and now the archive redo log file. The trace files. These are used when internal errors occur to help determine the source of the issue. After all, without trace files, it would be very difficult to figure out why some problem happened. And finally, there is the alert log file. These are special entries of a chronological log of messages and errors. If you wanted to take a look at what happened, even historically, when some problems occurred or how the system was functioning, you could keep track of these alert logs based on dates to see what's going on in the system. So, the files are, again, parameter, password, backup, archive redo logs, trace files, and finally, the alert log file. These are the 6 kinds of files that are utilized while the database is running.